Excellence El Carmen opened in 2021, and here's something most travel videos won't tell you. This resort sits in Uvero, Alto, one of the most remote stretches of the Dominican coast, which means you're trading proximity to Punta Cana's restaurant and nightlife strip for a genuinely secluded beach experience. That isolation is intentional. The Excellence Collection built this property for travelers who want to stay inside a self-contained luxury bubble, and the all-inclusive model here is designed so you never need to leave the gates. If you're the type who likes to explore local towns, grab street food, or bar hop off property, this location will feel limiting. But if your ideal vacation involves rotating between multiple pools, gourmet restaurants, and a pristine beach with almost no one else on it, the remoteness becomes the intent. Understanding that trade-off before you book will determine whether this place feels like paradise or a gilded cage. Let's start with the rooms, because Excellence El Carmen offers 5 distinct categories, and choosing the right one matters more than you might think. The entry level is the Excellence Junior Suite, which comes with either a king bed or 2 double beds, a furnished terrace or balcony with garden views, a minibar that's restocked daily, a smart TV, free Wi-Fi, and access to a pillow menu if you're particular about neck support. These suites are the workhorse of the resort, the reliable option that delivers everything you need without unnecessary flourishes. The garden view means you're looking at tropical landscaping rather than water, but the trade-off is that these rooms tend to be quieter since they're set back from the main pool areas. If you're the kind of traveler who spends most daylight hours outside your room anyway, this category offers solid value without paying a premium for a view you'll barely see. Step up to the Excellence Junior Suite Ocean View, and you're getting the same layout, same bed configuration, same minibar and tech setup, but now your terrace or balcony offers a partial ocean view. The word partial is doing some work here. You're not getting floor-to-ceiling water vistas, but you can see the Caribbean between the palm trees, and that sliver of blue does make morning coffee on the balcony feel more special. The room itself is identical to the garden view version, so you're essentially paying extra for what you see when you step outside. For some people, that's worth every penny. For others, it's an unnecessary expense when the beach is a 2-minute walk from any building. The Excellence Junior Suite Swim Up is where things get more interesting. This category comes with a king bed and direct pool access from your terrace, meaning you can roll out of bed, step into the water, and float to the swim-up bar without ever putting on shoes. The appeal here is pure convenience and a specific kind of vacation vibe. If you've ever wanted to feel like you're living in a resort commercial, this is the room that delivers that experience. The pool access is shared with other swim-up suites, so it's not a private plunge pool, but it's also never crowded because only a limited number of rooms have this feature. The downside is that you're giving up the ocean view entirely, since these suites face the pool complex and the terrace is less private because other guests are swimming past. It's a lifestyle choice more than a luxury upgrade. Move into the Excellence Suite, and you're getting a separate living area, a king bed, 2 terraces or a combination of balcony and terrace, and an ocean view that's no longer partial. This is the category where the room starts to feel like a real suite rather than a large hotel room with a sitting area. The extra space matters if you're traveling as a couple who needs a bit of breathing room, or if you're the type who likes to spread out with laptops, books, and travel gear without everything piling up on the bed. The dual outdoor spaces mean you can catch sunrise from one side and sunset from another, assuming the building orientation cooperates. The minibar, smart TV, and Wi-Fi are the same as in the junior suites, but the overall experience feels more residential. At the top of the range sits the Excellence Rooftop Terrace Suite, which comes with a rooftop terrace that includes a plunge pool and an outdoor shower. This is the room you book if you want to feel like you've rented a private penthouse rather than a hotel suite. The plunge pool is small, meant for cooling off rather than doing laps, but it's yours alone, and the rooftop location means you're getting unobstructed ocean views and a level of privacy that none of the other categories can match. The outdoor shower is one of those features that sounds better in theory than in practice for some people, but if you've ever wanted to rinse off under the stars with the sound of the ocean in the background, this is your chance. The interior includes a king bed, minibar, smart TV, and all the standard tech, but honestly, you're paying for the rooftop, not the bedroom. Now let's talk about food, because Excellence El Carmen takes its dining seriously, and the variety here is one of the resort's strongest selling points. The Lobster House is exactly what it sounds like, a seafood-focused restaurant open for dinner, where reservations are recommended because this is one of the most popular spots on the property. The menu leans heavily on Caribbean lobster, grilled fish, and shellfish preparations that let the quality of the ingredients do the talking. If you've spent time at all-inclusive resorts where the seafood tastes like it's been frozen since the previous decade, this place will feel like a significant upgrade. The kitchen sources locally when possible, and the chefs seem to understand that overcooking seafood is a crime against nature. Toscana handles the Italian side of things, also open for dinner with reservations recommended. This isn't the kind of Italian restaurant where everything comes smothered in red sauce and served with a side of garlic bread. The menu skews more toward northern Italian preparations, with house-made pastas, risottos that actually have the right creamy texture, and proteins that are treated with restraint rather than drowned in heavy sauces. The wine list includes a decent selection of Italian bottles, and the service tends to be more formal here than at some of the other restaurants, which either adds to the experience or feels a bit stuffy depending on your mood. Spice covers Asian fusion, which is a broad category that could mean almost anything, but in practice, the menu pulls from Thai, Japanese, and Chinese influences without trying to be overly authentic to any single tradition. You'll find sushi, curries, stir-fries, and noodle dishes, all prepared with varying degrees of heat depending on your tolerance. The fusion approach means the kitchen takes liberties with traditional recipes, which purists might find frustrating, but the flavors are generally well-balanced and the execution is solid. Reservations are recommended here as well, and the dining room tends to fill up on weekends. The grill is the no-reservation option, open for dinner and focused on international grill preparations. This is where you go when you want a straightforward steak, grilled chicken, or barbecue ribs without the formality of a sit-down reservation. The menu is less adventurous than the other restaurants, but sometimes you just want a well-cooked piece of meat and a baked potato, and the grill delivers that without pretense. The open flame cooking adds a char and smokiness that you don't get from the other kitchens, and the casual atmosphere makes it a good option if you're dining with kids or just don't feel like dressing up. The Excellence Club restaurant is exclusive to guests staying in Excellence Club category rooms, which is a separate tier of accommodations that comes with additional perks. The restaurant serves a la carte dinner and offers a more intimate dining experience with a smaller menu that changes regularly. If you're not staying in an Excellence Club room, you won't have access, so factor that into your booking decision if exclusive dining is important to you. On the bar front, the Excellence Club Lounge Bar is also exclusive to Excellence Club guests, offering premium spirits and a quieter atmosphere than the main bars. The beach bar is exactly where you'd expect it to be, serving tropical cocktails, cold beer, and frozen drinks throughout the day. The swim-up bar is built into one of the main pool complexes, so you can order a drink without leaving the water, which is either peak vacation efficiency or peak laziness depending on your perspective. The pool situation at Excellence El Carmen is extensive, with multiple infinity pools that cascade down toward the ocean, creating that seamless visual effect where the pool water appears to merge with the sea. The infinity design isn't just for aesthetics. It also means the pools are positioned to maximize ocean views from almost every angle. The swim-up suite pools are separate from the main pool areas, offering a quieter experience for guests in those room categories. The Excellence Club has its own exclusive pools, which tend to be less crowded because access is limited to guests paying for that tier. If you're trying to avoid the pool chair reservation culture that plagues many resorts, the sheer number of pools here helps spread people out, though you'll still see the occasional towel marking territory at sunrise. The beach at Excellence El Carmen is a private stretch of white sand on Uvero Alto, which is one of the prettier coastlines in the Dominican Republic. The sand is soft, the water is turquoise, and the beach is long enough that you can walk for a while without running into another resort's territory. The ocean here can be windy, as one guest review noted, which is typical for the Uvero Alto area. The wind keeps the temperature comfortable, but can also kick up waves and make the water choppier than some swimmers prefer. If you're hoping for glassy, calm water for snorkeling, this isn't the spot. But if you like body surfing or don't mind a bit of wave action, the conditions are fine. The beach is well maintained, with palapas for shade and staff who circulate with drink service, so you don't have to trek back to the bar every time you want a refill. Activities at Excellence El Carmen include 9 tennis courts, which is an unusually high number for a resort of this size, and suggests that the property is serious about attracting tennis players. Whether you're a casual player who wants to hit a few balls or someone who travels with your own racket and takes the game seriously, having this many courts means you'll almost always find one available. The Water Sports Center offers the usual lineup of non-motorized options, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. The resort also has a theater for evening entertainment, which typically includes live music shows and themed performances. The quality of the entertainment varies depending on the night and the performers, but it's there if you want it, and skippable if you'd rather spend your evening at the bar or on the beach. The Miele Spa is a significant amenity, with a hydrotherapy circuit and 18 treatment rooms, which is a substantial setup for a resort spa. The hydrotherapy circuit typically includes elements like hot and cold plunge pools, saunas, steam rooms, and experience showers, all designed to prep your body before a massage or treatment. The 18 treatment rooms mean the spa can handle a lot of guests without feeling overcrowded, and you're more likely to get the appointment time you want without booking weeks in advance. Guest reviews consistently praise the spa, with one calling it world-class, which is high praise in a market where resort spas can range from genuinely excellent to overpriced hotel rooms with a massage table. Treatments lean toward the expected menu of massages, facials, and body wraps, but the execution seems to be a cut above the typical resort spa experience. The fitness center is described as state-of-the-art, which is hotel marketing language that can mean almost anything, but in this case seems to indicate a well-equipped gym with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment. If you're someone who doesn't skip workouts even on vacation, having a legitimate gym rather than a sad treadmill in a closet makes a difference. Keeping it real, the biggest drawback mentioned in guest reviews is the remoteness of the location. Multiple guests noted that while the resort itself is beautiful, there are no nearby shops, restaurants, or towns within easy walking distance. One guest specifically mentioned that the location is isolated with no nearby shops, and another said the remoteness was the only issue. If you're planning to spend your entire vacation on the resort property, this won't bother you. But if you like the option to explore, grab a meal off property, or do some local shopping, you'll need to arrange transportation, and that adds time and expense to any off-site excursion. The other minor complaint that surfaced is that the beach can be windy, which is a function of geography rather than something the resort can control, but it's worth knowing if you're sensitive to wind or hoping for perfectly calm swimming conditions. What makes Excellence El Carmen genuinely different from other all-inclusives in the area is the combination of its 2021 opening, which means everything is still relatively new and fresh, and its location in Uvero, Alto rather than the more developed Punta Cana hotel zone. The resort is part of the Excellence Collection, which has built a reputation for adults-only properties that focus on upscale all-inclusive experiences without the spring break energy that some Punta Cana resorts attract. The 9 tennis courts are unusual and signal that the property is targeting a slightly different demographic than the typical beach and pool crowd. The Miele Spa with its 18 treatment rooms and hydrotherapy circuit is another differentiator, offering a wellness experience that goes beyond the basic resort spa. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.